Hey guys, so here's a recap of what my day one hair looked like. This is the front, and then here's the back, showing the definition and the volume that I got from the cream wash and go. Now let's see day 2 through 8. Okay, good morning. It's day 2. About to pull off the bonnet. Let's see what we're working with. Okay. Cut my ring light on so we can see it a little better. Well, looks like the definition is still there, just as much as it was yesterday. I'm really wondering if this time I want to try out, stretching it. But I don't think I'd do it with like section by section holding the blow dryer. I don't know, it's just something about that really, I don't know. I don't like distorting the curl pattern. Just kind of want to elongate it a little bit maybe. I've never stretched, so maybe stretching would be a first time thing for me. So I don't know, but also at the same time I be kind of liking the bobbish look because it's hot out here in these Mississippi streets. So if I could keep it off my neck as much as possible, that actually may work better for me. I don't know. Shake it a little bit. And I've decided not to wear the braids here, but instead to tuck them. And I'm not really even pinning them, just kind of putting them behind the hair. I'm not a fan of bobby pins or rubber bands being at the, just tuck it, it'll be okay. So I'm gonna show you the back. Now I'll say one thing about cream wash and goes is that I always get more of the fro look, even though it has a lot of definition. And so the only thing that makes me scared about it is when it's time to sleep. When I put it in my bonnet, it's kind of here. And so I caught myself a lot of times like laying straight on the back of it. Eventually I let go and just whatever way I lay, it'll have to be all right. But it still looks good. Nothing looks smashed. I still have all the definition from yesterday. It is still movement, and what more could you ask for? I'll see y'all. I'll probably prep tonight. You know what? I'll probably try to stretch with banding tonight, and yeah, I'll come on and record that as well. Okay, so I really don't feel like banding my hair or anything tonight. Just kind of gonna go with this. But as you can see, my hair in the middle keeps trying to fall towards the front instead of back like I initially wanted it to be. But I don't know, it's fine. It's still cute. So today will just be another bonnet night. And that's how I keep it. See y'all in the morning. Out with the family walking. And I really just hope my hair holds up because I'm planning to do this daily, so we'll see. Okay guys, it is actually day 8 and my wash day as well, and as y'all can see, my hair still looks good. And the thing is, 2 nights this week I did not go to sleep with a bonnet on, and I just slept on my Kitsch satin pillowcase, and my hair still looks good. Still has its shape. That's one good thing I like about doing my wash and goes with creams, is that I don't ever really have to worry about, like, if I sleep on my curls, if they'll be bent out of shape. And that's because the hold is different, you know. It's not like a gel hold where, you know, you talking about you got something that's a little stiffer, and if you bend it, it'll stay. But with the cream, it's not really like that. Like, I can do this and it really still kind of goes right back into place. So I really love doing cream wash and goes. Like, look at my movement still. Does that even make sense? I already know I'm gonna be doing cream wash and goes more often. One thing I do know about cream wash and goes though, is that I felt like I had to do a lot more working in than I do with gel or mousse. So I had to, I did a lot of working it in and trying to get it to define and clump, and I don't feel like I have to work that hard with gel and mousse. So that'll be the downfall against both of them. But with results like these, I'll definitely be doing it again. So that's the end of this vlog, because like I said, today is wash day, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me go over the 8 days. I didn't get a chance to film all the days. This week was pretty crazy. I was always running late, walking out of the house. But if there is something else you'd like to see me vlog, please leave it down below in the comment section. And until next time, bye.